Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today we're gonna compare these two iPhone XS Maxes. This is just 4,000 rupees, which is around $50, and you know why. And we've got two solid reasons why we're gonna present it to you. One is, of course, we do really care about our views. Next one is, you guys can help us with that. This is Anand Lal from Random Shashi, and without any further ado, we are gonna jump right in.
Obviously, the lower price tag has only one explanation. That one is a clone. In this video, I'll compare both of them and describe certain ways you can quickly identify a fake one. I know that not all clones are same, but I have found certain things that are common in most clones and shortlisted some which we will cover in this video. Throughout the entire video, I'll be holding the real iPhone XS Max on my right hand and the clone on my left hand. Make sure to remember that while you watch this video. The first and the most common thing almost all clones have is the fake App Store. The most ones usually have a Google Play Store disguised as an Apple App Store. 99% of the fake iPhones are heavily skinned versions of Android. The second way to identify a clone is by looking at its SIM card tray. As we can see, the clone has two SIM card slots. On the other hand, the original iPhone XS Max has only a single SIM slot where you can insert only one micro SIM card. While some models have support for a second SIM, it's only an eSIM. Another way is to check the details of the iPhone in settings. Open settings and select General and select About. Check the details of the phone carefully. In most cases, there will be something odd. In this case, the model name of the clone is some gibberish instead of the name iPhone XS Max. The next way to identify is the camera. Most clones are made with the concept of recreating the look of an iPhone. During that, most clones forget the minor details. Open the camera and select the portrait mode. In most clones, it will be just like the normal camera. The real portrait mode looks like the one on the right. You can clearly spot the difference when put into portrait mode. As I said, clones are mostly made with the looks of the iPhones in mind, so they often forget the small things. Take a screenshot by holding the power and volume button. If it's a clone, often it will show the notification as Android system. Another way is to open Siri. Press and hold the power button to activate Siri. 99% of the clones cannot recreate the Siri-like experience, so it will be one of the most effective ways to identify a clone. Here you can see that the one on the left is clearly not Siri. The next method is to simply use the phone for a minute or two. Do some simple tasks like opening settings and some other apps. If you face any stuttering or the UI feels laggy and seems a bit odd, then there's a 99% chance that it'll be a fake one. When it comes to the earphones and charger, it becomes tricky. The only way to identify if it's a fake is to use them and see if there's any compromise on quality. If you feel it's of poor quality, it will probably be a fake. Lastly, I'll talk about the box that the iPhone XS Max came in. I don't really know if it's a correct way to know if it's fake or not, but the boxes had some differences. The real one's Apple logo was reflective, while the fake one's was not. The original one's box was slightly bigger in height than the fake one. Tons of people are being cheated by these sort of fakes in the market, so you guys should always keep these tips in your mind before buying an iPhone from any seller. If you guys like what you saw, please don't forget to like, subscribe and also share it with your friends and also those who own an iPhone XS Max and tell them to check if their ones are real. Until next time, this is Random Shashi signing off.